Hey there! Today is the second day before Christmas and we're going to be doing a new recipe on my channel. It's going to be a spice cake. As always, all the ingredients and everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this cake.
Start with your room temperature butter and soften it up. Then add your brown sugar to this and combine it well with your butter. Don't forget your spatula to scrape down your bowl. And then we're going to add in 1 egg at a time to this. I almost lost an egg in there, so I had to hold this while combining that 1 egg in. But just make sure you incorporate your eggs in well after each addition. And then just mix this well for a couple minutes. Again, scrape down your bowl. So then just place that aside and then get your flour. We're gonna add our dry ingredients. So get your baking powder, your salt, and all your spices. Whisk it all together to combine well. And then get your milk as well. Add in your vanilla extract. And then we're going to combine this into our butter mixture. So start with 1/3 of your flour. Add that in and mix it well. Then add in 1/2 of your milk. And mix that well. Add in 1/2 of that remaining flour. Combine well. Scrape your bowl. This is just to make sure all your ingredients combine well. Then add in that last bit of milk. Combine well. And finally that last portion of flour. And mix that well, combine it, and then let it mix for about 2 to 3 minutes, just to allow all the ingredients to combine. Again, scrape the bowl. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Then place that aside. And I'm going to be using this 1/4 sheet pan to bake my cake in. I'm going to scoop it out. You can also set your oven to 350 degrees now. Once I've scooped my batter, I'm going to smooth it out. You can also make a couple cupcakes with any remaining batter you have. I was able to get 6 additional ones. Then bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. Once it's completely cooled, I left mine in the tray because I was going to be traveling with it. I ended up placing all these buttercreams in different piping bags. I'm using white, pink, green, and red. And with all these different sizes of tips, I will be decorating the top of my cake. Feel free to get creative with this. I really like how these colors look for Christmas time. So just keep doing that sporadically across your sheet cake. And here's our spice cake sheet cake.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I can't believe we're almost done with the 12 days of baked goods. Just one more day left. If you want to see pictures of everything I've been creating, I do post on Instagram, and you can find me at Baker Girl Steph. Until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.